Patrick Parson here for the Agile Forum. Why do we have a daily stand-up or Scrum meeting? Most Agile teams have a practice of getting together every day at a set time for 15 minutes or less and discussing what each team member has done since the last daily Scrum, what they plan on doing between then and the next daily Scrum, and any impediments that they have. But the question remains, why is the team doing that? Hopefully behind everything that we do in Agile, there is an Agile principle that we can connect it to. Here, the principle is, because the most effective and efficient method of conveying information to and within a development team is face-to-face conversation. So the daily stand-up or the daily Scrum gives teams that opportunity each day for face-to-face communication. Now, the daily Scrum isn't the only time during the day that the team will be applying that principle. You want to apply that principle whenever you can, whenever it's appropriate, whenever you think the team can benefit from face-to-face communication. It might be a subset of the team, it might be 2 team members that are on the team, it might be the entire team. Use your best judgment for that and allow the team to use their best judgment about how and when to employ that principle. So distributed teams can still do this effectively on a video call. If a team is co-located, a physical face-to-face stand-up is preferred. I, as the Scrum Master, like to present on a video call or even in person our active sprint board, and then I create a quick filter for each of the team members, and then I click on that quick filter when that team member takes their turn and open up the stories as they refer to a story. I open that story so everyone can see what the story's about and see any comments that they've made on that story. When you're in the daily stand-up or Scrum meeting and it's your turn, don't get too far into the weeds with your updates. Keep your conversations brief and concise. Remember that this isn't the only time during the day where you're talking to your teammates or to your Scrum Master. So if there are additional things that you need to discuss in more detail, make plans to do that and follow up with the folks that need to be part of that after the stand-up. For new teams, a lot of times I'll put the meeting on the calendar for 30 minutes, have the stand-up in the first 15 minutes, and then allow a 15-minute buffer for some of those follow-on parking lot conversations. The stand-up's not going to have nearly as much value for the team if you're not in the right mindset, if the team is not in the right spirit. So team members should actually be listening to each other when folks are giving their updates, when they're taking their turn, rather than just preparing for what you're going to say when it's your turn. It's a different mindset. Keep in mind that the team committed to the work that's on the board. So even if it isn't your story as a team member, you want to help your other team members succeed. You care about all of the work getting done. And that's it. The stand-up or daily Scrum is not a complicated concept. It's pretty easy to pull off if you have the team in the right mindset. Now it's your turn. Do you have any tips for a good daily Scrum? What's worked for you? Did I miss anything? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you like what we're doing here, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. It tells the YouTube algorithm that this is good content and folks should see it. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.